I'm going to do a review on the Ring doorbell camera. It looks like this. I use a doorbell boa. Looks like that. Because I live in an apartment and I can't have anything mounted or screwed onto the wall. Now back to the camera, to be truthful, it's a worthless piece of junk. When FedEx, Amazon, and UPS comes, it doesn't sense their motion. It doesn't record. It's like my system is being jammed somehow. Or they're carrying a jammer on them, but I just can't prove it. Like if I bend over and stand beside the camera, it picks me up, but it won't pick up them. The only one it'll pick up is USPS, even if it's just a glimpse of them. Like last week, I had a package come up missing. The only reason why I knew because my neighbor's camera picked it up and she has a blank. It didn't even pick up the package, even though it was a book and he put it back. Serves him right. But the point is, it should have picked it up. And to be truthful, I'm not going to pay a subscription for a camera that's basically just a piece of junk. And I don't like how it doesn't sense motion like the Blink does. I can't even shut off the night vision because I want to know what people look like and what they're wearing without the night vision on. And basically, I'm going back to Blink because this is just a piece of junk. And I'm going to send it back to Ring. I'm just glad they have a return policy. So my piece of advice, don't get this thing. Thank you.